how do you identify a plant? You need to use the leaf, flowers, fruits, the stem color, then one whole plant. So how do you going to take? There are many ways. The best is to take the whole plant, one shot, take the flower, take the seed or the fruit, alright? If the stem is colorful or is very unique, you can take that. Why? This helps people who use the book, alright, to easily identify the plant. Sometimes you take the plant, it has flower but no fruit. Sometimes you take the plant, it has fruit but no flower. So meaning that you may have to look at the same plant, if possible, assemble complete all the parts of the plant so that it's easy to insert all into one picture. How to insert? One whole picture of the plant, little photograph of the fruit, the flower, the stem, whatever. The more information you give to the reader, it's easier for him to use the book. But sometimes you need to standardize. If you decide that every photo I'm going to put 3 little insets, flower, fruit, or whatever. Okay. So unless you have a stand. So in specimen taking, you always use a stand to get very, very sharp picture. Because you can change your setting to take many shots. Now how would I do it? I would take about, for every plant, about 20-30 shots. All different settings. One would be the optimum that you like best. Because the light keep on shifting, this is a problem in the jungle. Now when you see an overcast, your setting, your ISO will be totally different. One shot the young shoot because often this part is different one. So this is one you can take one shot of the whole plant, then you take a shot of this called leaflet. Okay, take a shot of this, one whole plant, take a shot of this. So there'll be other ferns after you see. You do the same so that you can identify and say that, oh, this is a different fern because this shoot is different. Some are very nice, others will show you very big and always hairy. This young part, most of the fern you can eat, goreng and eat. It runs around here. They alternate, see, left, right, left, right, left, right. These are called leaflet. A leaflet is a small leaf. Right. So ginger. Then you know it's a white ginger. Alright. Now white ginger, one shot, what you do is, you should take, alright. Now if the plant doesn't bend like this, you take an upright plant which is like growing naturally. Alright. You take only this part, you take the tip here to show the arrangement of the leaf so that people know this ginger. After taking, at the bottom there are new shoot coming out. You move the leaf a bit so they can take the young shoot. Young shoot has color one, and it has a like what they call fur, which are actually a very fine skin. Shoot. You see, it has pattern on the stem. So you take a shot of the stem because only this variety has this type of pattern. This is called smilex. Smilex. This smilex, the stem is very hairy and it can poke you. Very hairy. It's a pest of forest. Forestry department have to get contractor to cut and pull this thing down from forestry every year. They spend a lot of money, spend millions to get rid of this because it can choke and kill plant. Singapore is overrun by this plant. All over, the moment you go to Woodland side, you see left and right. This is the creeper that is covering all, and Singapore has to spend a lot of money. So what you do is, in order to take this plant, you have to take the shoot here. These are called trendil. Then you take the stem, which is very hairy. So you always take with a joint, because the joint has this type of roots coming down. Alright, so it distinguishes it from other climbers. So meaning that when people see your page, they look for this and say, oh, so this is the plant. Focus on one part of the leaf and enlarge. Normally you take around here. Alright, this is the pepper. San Wu Jiu. The rubbish for the leaf all fall down here. You collect here, right? Then this leaf begin to rot, become humus. Then the root grow here and take the food here. Can you understand? It's called a litter plant. L-I-T-T-R. The bottom part? We take water, still take food and water. Here extra. Here supper here. Collect the rubbish because it's got rubbish plant, litter plant, L-I-T-T-E-R.
Really?
Physiological disorder. So when the wasps come and sting to lay egg, the plant get angry and grow this to surround it, and
To
this thing is
protect it
very
lah.
hard one.
Oh, just to protect it, is
Yeah,
it?
so that it doesn't harm the plant.
Oh, okay.
So in scientific language, we call this blister blight.
Blister blight.
It's a blister. A blight is a disease. Today's outing is giving members opportunity to enjoy the forest setting. Beside that, the main aim is actually to learn how to photograph roadside plants in Panti. The ultimate project will be a little handbook on the common plants of Panti, so that school children can use this book for reference. This is a project undertaken by members who are also beginners photographer, and the next session will be at the lab in UTM, where they will learn how to assemble and come out with pages for the book. And after this, they should be able to do books on their own on a simple format. So hopefully today's outing will bring some good results for the young and old. And we noticed today also the youngest is 12 and the oldest is 76.